Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. Today is active with M-class flares. Active region 4,513 lies 4 degrees north and 67 degrees east of disk center. It covers 100 millionths of a solar disk and contains 5 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DAO and its magnetic class is B. During the past day, it produced 4 C-class flares and 1 M-class flare. Active region 4,507 lies 4 degrees north and 74 degrees west of disk center. It covers 300 millionths of the solar disk and contains 13 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is EHI and its magnetic class is BGD. During the past day, it produced 2 C-class flares. Active region 4,508 lies 9 degrees north and 42 degrees west of disk center. It covers 50 millionths of the solar disk and contains 4 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is CAO and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4,514 lies 10 degrees south and 48 degrees west of disk center. It covers 20 millionths of the solar disk and contains 2 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is CRO and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. There are 4 active regions visible, containing 24 individual sunspots. The estimated sunspot number is 64 and the radio flux is 125 SFU. The current GOES X-ray level is C1.3. The most recent flare was an M1.8. Over the last 24 hours, there have been 2 M-class flares. The chance for M-class flares today is 35%, and for X-class flares it is 5%. And here is the strongest flare of the past 24 hours. We have footage of an M1.9 event seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. The solar wind speed is 557 kilometers per second with a density of 4.69 protons per cubic centimeter. The magnetic field is 4 nanoteslas with a BZ component of 3 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 2. The highest K-index measured over the last 24 hours was 4.33. The highest K-index expected in the hours ahead is 4. Auroral power is 49 gigawatts in the northern hemisphere and 54 gigawatts in the southern hemisphere. Today expects a highest K-index of 3.7 with a 35% chance of M-class flares and a 5% chance of X-class flares. Friday expects a highest K-index of 4 with a 35% chance of M-class flares and a 5% chance of X-class flares. Saturday expects a highest K-index of 4 with a 35% chance of M-class flares and a 5% chance of X-class flares. These are expectations, not measurements. NASA SDO AIA at 17.1 nanometers reveals bright coronal loops tracing magnetic fields in the Sun's upper atmosphere. At 30.4 nanometers, SDO AIA highlights prominences above the limb and long dark filaments crossing the solar disk. The 19.3 nanometer AIA view maps the hot corona, while darker areas can mark coronal holes with open magnetic fields. AIA at 13.1 nanometers is the Flare Watch channel, emphasizing extremely hot plasma in newly energized active regions. NASA SDO HMI shows the photosphere in visible light, where today's sunspot groups appear as dark structures across the solar disk. The HMI magnetogram maps opposite magnetic polarities, exposing the complex fields surrounding the active regions. SOHO LOSCO C2 blocks the bright solar disk to reveal the inner corona and material moving away from the Sun. The wider Lascaux C3 view follows the outer corona and provides a broad watch for coronal mass ejections traveling into space. Tonight's Aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their Aurora chance and local time for each universal time hour. In the north, the oval should reach Iceland, southern Alaska, Hudson Bay, and northern Scandinavia, near 60 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 03 universal time. Now, the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, the oval favors Antarctica and the Southern Ocean, with a low horizon chance from Tasmania or southern New Zealand near 60 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 49 gigawatts and south 54 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 44% in the north and 56% in the south. The sun stands 1.012 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. That is all from the sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.